Looking for the perfect finish for your cabinet? Try Davies Aqua Gloss-It. A simple yet effective solution for a high-gloss professional look. Davies Aqua Gloss-It is an eco-friendly, fast-drying, and low-odor water-based enamel paint that delivers a smooth, durable, and glossy finish. To get started, here's everything you'll need. Davies Aqua Gloss-It. Davies Timber Prime for primer. Paintbrush. Roller. Clean rag. Sandpaper. Before painting your cabinet, ensure the surface is clean, dry, free from dirt and grease. Sand the surface smooth and dust it off completely. Let's start painting the cabinet. First, prime the surface with Davies Timber Prime to ensure proper adhesion of the top coat to wood surface and to avoid tanning. Then prepare your Davies Aqua Gloss-It paint. Apply 2 coats of Aqua Gloss-It using a roller for large areas and a paintbrush for corners that the roller cannot reach, allowing 2 to 3 hours of drying time between coats. With its long-lasting quality, environmentally friendly formula, and easy-to-apply paint, Davies Aqua Gloss-It is your go-to paint for the best results.
Brought to you by Davies Paints. Basta pintura, hanapin ang tatak Davies. Paint reinvented.